you're a chemistry student, you need to know this by now. These are the 3 types of intramolecular forces or bonds. First things first, an intramolecular force or bond is a force of attraction between atoms that holds your atoms together inside of the molecule. Number 1, an ionic bond happens when you transfer electrons from one atom to another. Number 2, a covalent bond happens when you share electrons between 2 atoms. And number 3, a metallic bond happens when there are delocalized electrons, meaning that it's not allocated to any one atom and it's just floating around and it's surrounding metal cations. To define the different types of bonds, you want to know 2 things. Number 1, what's happening to the electrons, and number 2, generally what kind of atoms form those bonds. So an ionic bond is when the electrons are transferred, usually between a metal and a non-metal. A covalent bond is when the electrons are shared, usually between 2 non-metals, and a metallic bond is when the electrons are delocalized with metal ions.